Hi mga koys, welcome back again. Ang atong itakol karon kabahin ni sa Howie Day nga Collide muni ilahang pinakasikat nga kanta Capo 4th fret guys. Mga koys, Capo 4th fret dayon. Ang atong chords ani is G, guys. G dayon G over F sharp ana ibalin ni mo diri dayon eagle minor dayon C9 then hammer na hammer pulled off down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. The town is breaking, the light shining through. You're barely balik G. I'm open where I follow you go. I worry I won't see your face. Light up again, giving the best for them sometimes. Found I'm scared to know I'm always on your mind. Even the best for them sometimes. Maybe the stars refuse to shine. Out of the dark, you feel in time. A minor. Don't stop here. I've lost my place. Okay, eagle minor. Hindi. I'm close behind. So guys, ana eagle minor. Then eagle minor. Don't eagle minor GC. Don't stop here. I've lost my place. Eagle minor GC. I'm close behind. That's all for today. Hope you enjoy. Follow my page and my YouTube channel. God bless all you guys.